How you doing? There is a new way of coaching that is available right now. So I've got a few people that are already in on it. It's called Coaching Light. If you're interested, you want to skip this video, you can just go down in the description below, and then there's going to be a video once you click on that link that explains the whole thing. But Coaching Light is for the people who don't want the full coaching program because it's too expensive for them. It's a much lower price point that still gets you access to my specific plan. So, I'll kind of go over the same things that the other video goes over, but less detailed, because I think it's like a 6-minute video or 5-minute video or something like that down below. But Coaching Light is a 3 to 6 month roadmap. It'll be something that's delivered to you. So you'll get an email or whatever, but it's a 3 to 6 month roadmap to take you from wherever you are right now. Let's say you're starting from complete scratch, but you have all your gear, or maybe you don't have your gear, and within 6 months you want to be at $5,000 a month or whatever. Coaching Light is mainly geared towards people who are brand new to real estate photography and then they want to get in and start making money. The Coaching Light is a step-by-step roadmap that will get you there. So it's all the same. Well, it's all the similar 8 phases of the coaching program. So you have your materials creation phase, and then we go into the pricing and bundles, and then the website marketing and outreach, inbound, all that stuff. So it goes over step by step. It's first we do this, then we do this, then we do that, then we do this, and we market this way, and here's what we say, here are the methods of marketing, all that stuff. So the Coaching Light, it's a much more affordable version of coaching that still gets my plan, but doesn't get my time. So we don't have the weekly calls that the full coaching program has. How it works is you'd sign up, and then we jump on a one-on-one call, and I'd ask you a whole bunch of questions to ascertain where you are in your business and where you want to be. And then I ask you a whole bunch of questions to figure out exactly what steps you need to take, what you've already done, what you haven't done yet. Maybe you've done something wrong here, so we fix all that, and then it gets delivered to you, and then we hop on another call if you have any questions, or just to get your feedback on how you like the roadmap. But it's a whole lot more affordable than the full coaching program. It's a little bit more hands-off, so it's something that I deliver to you. It ends up being like 16 pages long. It's quite expansive, so it literally is just step by step. So if you're looking for additional help building your real estate photography business, and you want to get to the $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month range or level in your real estate photography business, now's the time. So I'd encourage you to, if you are interested in learning more about Coaching Light, click the link below. It'll take you through the whole thing. If you're interested, you can purchase it, and then you'll fill out the form. So quick instructions. When you click that link, it's going to give you the full explainer video. So I explained it a little bit right now, but there will be a more in-depth explanation in that video. And then you'll click the button saying, I want Coaching Light, which is at the bottom of the page. And then it takes you to there's a button that says pay, and it'll open up in a new window, and you can pay for Coaching Light if you don't have any additional questions. And then there will be a form to fill out that basically alerts me like, hey, I've paid for Coaching Light. Here's my name, my email address, and phone number, I think it is. It's full name, email, and phone number. And then there's a little checkbox that says I paid for Coaching Light. And once you hit submit, it's going to redirect you to a calendar page within the same website, and then you'll be able to book a call with me to go over all those questions. So if you're interested in Coaching Light, click the button down below. It's a whole lot more affordable than the full coaching program, and I'm able to do it because it's not super time intensive on my part. I still have to create your specific roadmap because it's tailored to your specific situation, but it's not so much like I'm busy with the full coaching program. So that's why I wanted to introduce Coaching Light. And if you're interested in that, click the button down below. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.